Hello, this is Brent McCall with Metra AV at CEDIA 2022. Now, Projector Reviews has given me an opportunity to talk about some of our new products, so follow me over and let me tell you what we've got. Right in front of you, you're looking at a full 48 gig signal that's being generated off of a prototype rock chip board because there are not any full 48 gig sources available yet, but that one is, going through a real 8-meter passive 48 gig HDMI cable. What this means is you're not obligated to use an active cable between your source and your projector. This gives you a lot simpler connection, a lot more reliable connection, and a full 48 gigabits of bandwidth in a passive cable. You don't have to worry about surges, spikes, or other compatibility issues. Now, let's assume you do have some problems. We make a variety of HDMI repair solution tools, simple things that fix your problems. Our number one tool is called the HDM-JR3. The JR3 fixes capacitive loading issues on your HDMI bus. This is problems like mode out of range, frequency out of range, long time to sync, HDCP not supported, no audio or audio dropouts, or long time to sync. All this is fixed by stripping the capacitive loading off the data bus. It also helps with some of the hard drive devices like Kaleidoscape to give you a more solid compatibility between devices by controlling the voltage swing. Next down, we have our AIO2. This is a hot plug control device. Along with doing everything that the JR3 does, it also allows you to force a hot plug reset from any relay offered control on your control system, RTI, URC, Control Forward, Crestron, your choice. As long as there's a relay, you can turn it on and off and force your hot plug to turn on and off, forcing things to switch faster and better connections. We also have our GA 1 gigabit accelerator. If you have an existing passive cable in and you need to go to 18 gig up to 15 meters, this is your solution at the display side. The GA2 takes you to 48 gigs at 9 meters. These are available now and will drop right into your system. Now, let me tell you about my other fun stuff. Our V-Lock series of 48 gig cables from 1 meters up to the 8 I've already mentioned, ready to go. Now, when you look at these products, and the fiber products go up to 100 meters, you will note that there are color codings on the cable. Each cable box comes with 6 different paired colors, so you can label your cables on the back of your Pre-Pro or AVR. It makes it easier for your cable management. Fiber cables for a full 48 gig are available from 5 meters to 100 meters. So whether it's 15 feet or 330 feet, you're good to go. Last but not least, my favorite new product is the BigDog. Now, I'm actually going to turn the BigDog over to Adam here to tell you all about it because he knows it well. Adam Rogers is our power development engineer. Adam, talk to Projector Reviews and tell them about BigDog.
Hi everyone, I'm Adam with Metra AV. We can take a look at the BigDog stuff. In fact, if you'd like, let's go around out front. We'll take a look at what we have going on. So with the BigDog stuff, I'm going to turn this rack around. We've got 4 different models that we've released now. They're available now and shipping. This is the 2U rack mount unit. It's the PR R13PI. We're really excited about this one. Let's talk about some of the things that we do that many other people do. Primarily, we have self-healing functions. We have remote access capabilities, scheduling capabilities, and power metering per outlet capabilities with these. But the things that really set us aside are the things that no one else has. So traditional systems with surge protection, the entire unit is sacrificial. That means that every time that it gets taken out, the whole piece has to be replaced. That means that now your client is spending that money out of pocket again. Now, with our system, simply popping out the surge module, opening up a new one, putting it back in place, and now you're back online. So you don't even have to replace the entire system. Just these surge modules here on the front of it make all the difference for that. It also gives us the ability to track the remaining life of surge modules, which means that now you can be proactive ahead of the problem instead of reactive to fix the problem. We're really excited about it. It's available now, it's shipping. We have other models with it as well. We've got a vertical rack mount unit. These guys here have many different mounting options. We have the clip style system, which everyone is used to if they've ever mounted any kind of vertical PDU or anything like that. We have the horizontal style system, which I don't have in this one, but I have it over in the other one. Simply putting the rack ears on the side of it and mounting it horizontally. We have 6 holes, gives you 16 different orientations when you mount it that way. But we also have the ability to take those rack ears, put them on the back of the PDU, and now you can use the rack rails that are already on the back of the rack. This makes installation a breeze, super simple. You don't have to drill out any holes or find open holes to use in order to put the clips or anything in there. It makes a huge difference for it. But the big thing with this is this guy here. We have this loop out feature to where you can actually loop out from the first unit to the second one. It's a 15 amp circuit, and it's outside of the surge protection, so that gives you the ability to loop out from one to another to another to another. So as long as you keep your math correct and keep it within 15 amps, you're good to go. You can have as many of those together. We're going to go over here. We've got the 3 outlet and the single outlet to talk about as well. Hi, folks. We've got this guy here. This is the PRW3PI. It's a 3 outlet surge protector. It's meant to go behind TVs and inside structured wiring panels. It has all the same capabilities of the other ones when it comes to the outlets. So we have self-healing, remote access, power metering per outlet, and we also have scheduling. From there, we've got our single outlet plug. This is one that I'm personally excited about. This guy here, a couple things. First off, it doesn't have surge protection, but it's Wi-Fi based, which means that you can use it with our MAV-based app. And it also means that with this here, you can do all the same features as the other one. So all of the outlets, we can turn them on and off remotely, do the power metering from on just this one little device, self-healing as well as scheduling, all in this little guy. Another really cool thing is that it actually has completely rotatable 360-degree continuous rotation on it. And it's designed to where you can have 2 of these mounted side by side in a duplex, and then you're able to kind of rotate those and get them out of the way of each other. So with that said, come check us out. Look for BigDog Power. Check out the MAV-based app so you can control it and get it integrated in there and use that self-healing function. It's really great. Track the remaining life of the surge modules. We're really excited about it. But I'm Adam with Metra AV. If you have any other questions, reach out to us at metraav.com.